and break. 4:15 and I am still wide awake. Low voice, slow smoke, subwoofer hitting like a heavy stroke.